Now, to mark the 100 years since Stonehenge was gifted to the nation, there's lots of events going on here. We've seen a replica cake of Stonehenge. There's also been a special piece of music that's been composed by Matt Rogers to celebrate this centenary of Stonehenge being gifted to the nation. Now, this piece of music that we are about to hear is going to be performed by the London Sinfonietta Orchestra, and it is called What a Wonderful Nature of Air. So, take it away, guys.
An interpretation of the wonderful nature of air. We'll have more from that a little later on.